to the bunny center.
Am I allowed to say Goddy Goodness?
You have an egg? Go give it to the chickens. You want to give it to Birdie? Why don't you give it to Birdie? You give Birdie the egg? Give it to Birdie. There you go. Good job. All right. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, the chips go to the chickens. Chips go to the chickens. Old eggs. Chips. Lorelai, come on, baby. All right, most of that bread goes to them. Okay? Yeah. Yep.
Like Bully should start eating some greens instead of eating eggshells and bread.
That's right. The carrots can go to the piggies. All this stuff can go to the pigs. All right.
Yep, because
Lorelai, come here. You want to go feed a piggy?
pour this over the fence.
Yeah.
That lays on top of there. See if this one makes it on the ground.
All right.
Two at a time. Oh yeah.
Maybe aim a little differently.
There. That made it.
Big old boy down there. Hi. Hello. You need some help? He's waiting very patiently. Just she's trying to jump up and grab it.
They look like Cheetos. Don't bully, eat them, eat them.
Healthy Cheetos, right?
Healthy Cheetos.
All right, there you go.
Healthy Cheetos.
You got
I
a,
like them.
you got a carrot on her back.
I like those with ranch for a snack.
Oh,
I
nice.
used to eat those at Gigi's.
Hey, there's more stuff. There's some squash over here.
I'll get the squash.
Okay.
And bread. I think the girls should only be eating the bread.
Yep, I'm glad they grabbed it because that's just for them.
Is that yummy, Bully? Mama, look. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, yeah. Feed him. Feed you. I'll feed you.
Hey, baby girl.
Hey, Reba. Hi, Reba. What you doing, Reba girl? Reba, don't leave me. Reba, don't leave me. Please.
Oh my goodness, Birdie, you're so dirty. What did you do? Bird. He's got his legs tangled up. You all right, doggy? He'll have to move out of the way.
That was on both for you, okay?
You're so dirty. You're a dirty dog. Let's go check the mailbox real quick.
I just want to do everything for my mama.
What's in there?
A package.
Oh, cool.
Not, what is this exciting thing?
I don't know what it is. All right, it's from Teespring. Let's go check out what this is. Come on, let's go. No. Let's go. go inside. Can you open that for us?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's a shirt. For who?
Hold it up.
Wait.
It's from Art and Bree.
It's Daddy's shirt.
Uh-huh.
It's from Art and Bree?
Yeah.
It's
I
Daddy's.
bought it. It says Home Sweet Homestead. Hold it up. Let me see it. Wow, I love that design. Be easy, Sealy.
That's my tum-tum.
I loved that design, and I think your daddy's really gonna like it. It's a surprise for him.
Does he even know?
He doesn't know.
Well, he knows that you bought it for him.
Yeah.
But he doesn't know it's coming. No.
That's right. So we'll have to give it to him when he gets off work. Oh, are you ready for some
I
nana?
can just put it.
Okay, let's have some nana.
I can just put it on his dresser, and then he'll be like, "What's this shirt?" And then I'll unfold it, and then I'll be like, "Wow!"
Okay. All right, we'll leave a link in the description for that shirt if y'all are interested in supporting Art and Bree. They have some really cute and really neat t-shirts.
And they have a great farm.
Yeah, they have a really cool YouTube channel. We love watching their YouTube videos.